This 12 Pro Max blew its back out. Let's get it fixed. And now it's crunch time. Crunch, 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 crunch.
Okay, do you have DoorDash on this phone? Because I'm about to die. Oh my gosh.
This back glass has been replaced before. That's why this glue doesn't look original. Because of that, it makes removing the glass around the cameras a lot easier. And we'll stick it in the laser for round 2. Then we'll give it a good old brush, peel off the glue, then apply some cold press glue and a few drops of super glue and replace the back glass. And there we go. It's as good as new.
Thank you.
Of course. Glad to help.